Enjoy the view of this 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. Here's a good-looking Elantra Hybrid that offers feel-good fuel efficiency, standard driver assist safety features, user-friendly touchscreen infotainment, and a spacious, comfortable interior that transports you to your destination in crisp, modern style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, cooled front seat, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat. Get the modern styling you want at a price you can't resist in this great-looking Elantra Hybrid. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.